In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard. Now click on the microphone icon visible at the top right corner of it. If you can't see it, click on this gear instead. Scroll down just a bit and click on voice typing. Then tap on the gray switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard. Finally, click on the now visible microphone icon. And if you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up. Then, after Speak Now command, start talking. When you're finished, click on the same Now Blow microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!